In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Python code involved in a simple job stream. As always, if you want to know more, check out the Snap User's Manual. We'll start with the trace standpipe model again and create a new Python stream. Now, let's open the source editor and get started. First, we import the Snap modules we'll be using, starting with the Snap Streams module. All of the Snap-related Python modules are included in the Snap package. This package contains modules for running and accessing job streams, working with the model editor, searching for files, and interacting with analysis codes. But what exactly is in the Streams module? Let's open a web browser and take a look. The Snap module's API documentation is included with your Snap distribution. There you'll find detailed descriptions of each package, module, class, and method. The Streams module includes methods and classes used to interact with a running stream. Our example here will only use one method directly, getStream. This method returns a handle to the currently running stream, so we can add jobs or wait for them to finish. There's a link here to the stream class. If you're curious, you can pause the video and take a look for yourself. In the meantime, let's get back to our example stream. We imported the Snap Streams module to get access to a running stream, so let's do that. Next, we're going to open a trace model, then execute it. To do that, we'll need to import a few things from the trace module, namely, trace's actor class and OpenMED method. Actors are the objects that Python streams interact with to execute jobs in a stream. Every supported code will have at least one actor. Detailed descriptions of each code module and their actors is available in the API documentation. Now, we can open a model. The OpenMED method opens the given MED file in the background and returns a trace model object. If we pass the model as the track-in input of an actor, it'll be automatically exported and passed along. We'll look at other ways to pass inputs to an actor in future videos. Now we'll add the trace job to the stream to be executed, and wait for it to finish before continuing. Because this is the end of the script, this last step is not strictly necessary. It is a good habit to get into, however. There, now we can submit the stream to the local calculation server. The stream console and log messages should look very similar to the previous videos since they're essentially identical streams.